Founded in 2002, Aludecor is India's most eminent aluminium composite panel brand. Aludecor sources the finest aluminium coils made through the direct chill process, ensuring enhanced flexibility of ACP sheets. These coils then undergo thorough pre-treatment to remove all impurities. To stick to its immaculate quality, Aludecor uses the best paint brands from across the globe, which are lead-free. Aludecor was the first brand to introduce double coat, double bake line in India, and it has the largest range of textured finishes. Aludecor follows global testing standards like AAMA and ECCA to offer coated coils of the best quality, along with certified A2 performance and an industry-first in-house pelletizing line for production of FR Class B and B1 granules. Aludecor ensures unmatched FR consistency by testing every pelletized lot on its baby ACP line and fully equipped in-house NABL-accredited FR testing lab before full-scale production. With cutting-edge ACP production lines spread across 2 plants, Aludecor ACP sheets help projects qualify for MR 5.1 and MR 5.2 credits under LEED rating system, which makes the company an eco-friendly architectural brand. Aludecor is very stringent when it comes to testing its ACP sheets, subjecting them to an unmatched 205 tests to ensure they withstand even the harshest conditions. Aludecor is the only company with an integrated honeycomb production line, powered by fully automated roll forming, in-house core manufacturing, and fully automated glue dispensing for the best panel bonding, all guaranteeing the highest precision and consistency in quality of the NEXComb panels. Delivering across all the major states of India, Aludecor ACP sheets are trusted by the biggest brands of India and abroad. With quality and commitment at its core, Aludecor carries forward the legacy of producing the best metal composite panels in India.